Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start the basic commands for AutoCAD, and this is very useful topics for beginners. So as you can see, there are so many commands in AutoCAD, so I will explain you all the commands one by one. So please be with me, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the notification of that video. So you can see this is for day 1. I will explain you these 5-6 commands only, and for the day 2 another command, and for day 3 one more command. So many command until day 5 I will explain you. So first, today I'm going to focus on these commands. So let us open the AutoCAD. Okay, so this I am using actually very latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2024, and this is advanced features. Some advanced features are given in this, so you can practice in any version. It's up to you. It's no need to use a new version. Almost all the versions commanded will be same, only some features are here. So what you will do, you can see this is the AutoCAD, and I already opened this. So this area is called working area, and this is called command bar, and these are called tabs. Okay, these are called tabs. Okay, and this and the top, this is called quick access toolbar. Okay, and these are ribbons. Okay, so here in this ribbons, there are so many commands given, so you can use manual as well as shortcuts. So first of all, what I'm going to do, the first command is drawing unit. So first of all, you have to set the unit. First command is drawing unit. So shortcut keys for the for this command is UN. So type UN and enter. Okay, so this pop-up box will open. So in this you have to select the decimal. Okay, first, and then precision is 0.0. Okay, and here is the insertion scale, unit to scale inserted in millimeter. Okay, and just click OK. So this is the unit command. So, and next is drawing limits. So type here in the command bar limits limits. Okay, enter. And here you can see in this command bar, it is asking the specify lower left corner. So lower left corner should be 0.00, 0. Okay, enter. And then upper left corner, you have to select the upper left corner as per the paper size. So I'm going to select 25,000 comma 25,000, enter, and Z enter, A enter. Okay, LIMITS. Specify the lower left corner. Okay, so 0 comma 0, enter. And then specify the upper left corner. So 25,000 comma 25,000, enter. Okay, then Z for zoom, and A for all. Z enter, A enter. Okay, so this is how this command is using. So next is your line command. So L for line, type L, enter. Okay, enter. This is your line command. So I'm going to use ortho on. So this is line command. Okay, how we are using. Okay, this is line command. If you want to change the color, you can change it from here. This properties panel, go to properties panel, you can select any one of the color, and this is the short form of line command. L for line, enter. This is shortcut keys. Okay, So this is how we are using the line command. Okay, if you want to use from here in this draw toolbar, you can see this is the draw toolbar. Okay, so go to the draw toolbar, just select the line and you can create the line. Okay, simple. So this is AutoCAD. I am explaining you because this AutoCAD will be very useful for the HVAC engineer, and also some people who doesn't know how to use AutoCAD. So this AutoCAD will be very useful for them. Okay, so for the new engineers as well as practice beginners as well as experienced engineers. Okay. Okay. So this is the line command how we are using. Okay. So next command is you can see the erase command. So E for erase, you can see the shortcut keys for erase command is E. So type E. Okay, enter. Select object, you can see here in this command bar it is asking select object. So I'm going to select this object, enter. See, simple. Again create some lines. Okay, so next is, again I will show you. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, so now you can, if you want, now you want to use the erase command, so you can go to this modify tab. Okay, and you can see trim. Yeah, trim. Where is the erase command? Here. Okay, so in this modify tabs, modify panel, modify toolbar, here you can find the erase command. So you can select this also. Okay, select this, click on this erase command and then select object and press enter. Okay, so two options I am showing you, you can use any one of these options. Okay, mostly we are using the shortcut keys. Next is rectangle command. So REC is the rectangle, so just simply type REC, enter. Okay, and now you can specify the first corner of the corner point. So this is the first corner, and I specify the other corner. So this is the other corner. Repeat, first corner, second corner. Repeat, first corner, second corner. Again enter, press space button to repeat command. So this is how we are creating the rectangle. Okay, you can choose another color. I'm going to choose the red, and I'm going to repeat this command, rectangle. If you want to repeat the command, just press the enter button, so the previous command will be activated. Okay, so now you have to erase this. Select this and select object, select erase command, erase it. And from this from here you can also use rectangle command. So go to the draw toolbar, select this rectangle. Okay, rectangle command, and specify the first corner and then specify the other corner. Okay, again go to this, to repeat the command enter the press button, space button, and repeat it. Just enter the space button and you can start drawing, start to draw rectangle. Okay, so like this, and now you can erase this. Select this one, E for erase, E for erase, enter. Next command is circle. So circle command, C for circle, C, and you can start circle. Okay, Now you have to change the color. I want to use this color. C for circle. Specify the center point of the circle. Okay, this is the center point. And now the radius in this command bar, you can see it is asking specify the radius of the circle, or dia, D for dia. So I want to use this much of radius, and repeat the command like this. C for circle, and center point, this is the center point. R for radius, R for or you can press the radius 5000. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Again repeat the command, use this draw toolbar, and here in this circle you can see this there are so many options. So first one is center radius. So select the center radius, specify the center point, and specify the enter the radius. Okay, so next is your center dia. So select the center dia, specify the center point, and then diameter of the radius will be 10,000. Okay, enter. So this is how you can create the radius circle. Next is 2 points. So first select this 2 point circle command. Okay, and 2 point circle can be draw like this. So select this one. Okay, specify the center point, this second point. Next circle is 3 points. So this is the first point, second point, and third point. And this is the tan radius. So tan radius is this one. So this is the tangent, and this is the tangent. Tan radius. This is the tangent, and this is the tangent. Just draw a line like this. Okay, so this is your tan radius. You can use this one, tangent, tangent, and tangent. Okay, like this. Okay, next is tan. So for this one you have to create circle here, 2 3 circle. Okay, copy this one here, and here. Okay, now you can use tan. So select this one, tan. Here is tan, here is tan, here is tan. This is how we are creating. Again repeat the command, tan. Okay, so tan is nothing but the circle is created between 3 tangent, and here is tan is nothing but the circle is created between 2 tangent. So I hope you guys learn this first day of this AutoCAD, basic AutoCAD of commands. So in the next tutorials I will explain you all these commands for the second days. So please be with me and keep watching my tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.